I haven't really met a client who likes playing games and wasting their time. So I'm not really sure if valid ba yung argument ni Honey na hindi rin naman sure kung pinapanood yung video. Like, sinong may oras na manggagawa ng form, magre-require ng ganito dahil kailangan nila sa business nila ng tulong pagkatapos hindi papanoorin yung video. Pangalawa, ang suggestion kasi ni Honey is mag-conduct na lang na initial interview para may pakita nga naman natin kung ano yung kaya natin i-offer as virtual assistants. Here's the thing, if you do an interview, it usually takes minimum 15 minutes each. Sa 10 applicants, that's already 2.5 hours. Bukod pa dun, syempre, yung time for you to assess kung okay ba yung applicant na kakausap mo lang. Versus if you would be spending 2 minutes per applicant na nag-submit ng video introduction nila to assess sino dun sa mga applicants na yun yung gusto mong interviewin. Let's say, for example, nag-review ka ng 10 2-minute video introduction, that's 20 minutes. Then, you spend the rest of your available time para interviewin yung gusto mo talaga. And again, guys, it all boils down to sino mas may kailangan. Ikaw ba mas kailangan mo yung work or yung client mas kailangan yung tao? But we cannot tell business owners how to run their business and we can't tell recruiters how to do their jobs. That's just not how it works. Because yung mga requirements ngayon sa mga trabaho is global standard. Ibig sabihin, it's been backed by studies na ang effective way to recruit or find the right people is ganito. And if you want to do your own case study, by all means, do it. If feeling ninyo effective yung ginagawa ninyo na hindi kayo nag-a-apply sa may video introduction, do it. At the end of the day, lahat tayo naghahanap ng kliyente. So whatever works for you, whatever floats your boat, do it.